Okay, nursing students, it is the lab of the day. Let's get started with hemoglobin. I want you to remember hemoglobin as the oxygen Uber. The Uber rides around, catches a ride, gets a ride from hemoglobin. Okay, what are our normal values for hemoglobin? Well, it depends if you're male or female. So if you're female, and males are 13.5 to 17.5. Both of these are in grams per deciliter. So let's talk about what happens when your hemoglobin's low. Well, think about it. If your hemoglobin is low, that means it doesn't have it won't be able to carry as much oxygen around in the blood to get to the tissues. So you're gonna have fatigue. It's not gonna have enough oxygen to carry to the lungs. You're gonna have shortness of breath. And this is because your oxygen transport is low. All right, there's not that many Ubers out there. There's very few, right? So you don't have as much oxygen going around the bloodstream. The exact opposite is true if you have high hemoglobin. If you have high hemoglobin, you're gonna have thick blood. There's gonna be tons of hemoglobin, right? So you're gonna have some circulatory risks, okay? What's our danger zone? Well, anything less than 7, we usually transfuse so that you can have more hemoglobin to carry around your oxygen, because probably at this point you're very symptomatic. And anything greater than the range that's dangerous for the high is greater than 20. And remember, these are all grams per deciliter. Again, this can only be tested with a blood test. There's no other way to get this lab value. So to kind of wrap that up, your hemoglobin is your Uber for your oxygen. It transports the oxygen in your blood. And if it's high, it's going to be thick. You're going to have a traffic jam. And if it's low, you don't have as many cars on there. Okay? Talk to you soon.